Role play between me, Chitra, and another support worker who has been assigned on Eddie's case. Hi Ram,
Hello Chitra, how have you been?
I'm alright. Yourself?
Just a little stressed at the moment.
What happened? Everything alright with you?
Everything is good with me, it's just that work has been a little stressful at the moment.
Is that so? Don't be. You can share with me if you like.
Do you know Mr. Eddie?
Yes, what about him?
He's been ill and it's been hard as he won't cooperate as needed.
Like you said, Edis is ill. It must be the illness. He is probably having a hard, hard time with himself.
I know, but having a client who doesn't understand English is really tough.
I'm sure it is, but we should also remember how stressful it must be for Edis to not be able to understand. It must be troublesome for him too.
I get that, but
Ram, we have to understand that every individual is difficult and so are their culture. The least we can do is respect and appreciate it. Then we'll learn to be more comprehensive.
you're right, I should be more thoughtful, but the other day when I suggest that maybe his grandchildren can visit him in the center, he got anxious and told me that not to take his grandchildren away from him.
There is only one explanation for that. Have you heard of stolen generation? You should read about it. And stolen generation are the group of Aboriginal people who were forcefully taken from their families as children or babies between the 1900s and 1960s of to be brought up by white families or inside the institution. For it's very hard to believe, but it is did happen. It will help you understand to a greater extent.
Oh dear, thanks. Probably why he was furious. I'll definitely read it now. I feel bad now. He must have felt very vulnerable.
You should. I understand your situation too because back back then I was in your shoes, but I started to keep an open mind and started being thoughtful of others and their culture. This this have, ha- helped me a lot. Rather than being stressed, I was more forced and patient than ever.
Thanks for sharing that with me, Chitra. I think it would be great help.
Happy that I could help.